Stop paying for mediocre stock photos today. We're exploring the AI image tool everyone is talking about, Nano Banana. It's Google's latest, fastest, and most realistic AI image generator. In this masterclass, I'll show you exactly how to use Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash image to create stunning visuals, edit your existing photos with simple text, and keep your characters looking consistent. Let's jump right in. But first, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs. Getting started is simple. You access Nano Banana directly through the Gemini interface. Just type your image request. Remember your 3 pillars of a good prompt: 1. The subject, what is it? 2. The style, hyperrealistic, watercolor, 3D, and 3. The setting, where is it? For example, create a hyperrealistic photo of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses on a beach at sunset. Hit generate and bam, look at the detail, the lighting, the realism. That's the power of Nano Banana's underlying model. One of the biggest headaches for AI content creators is called character consistency. If you're building a story, a comic, or even just a set of brand photos, you need your characters to look the same. Let's try a standard prompt: a young woman with red hair and freckles, smiling happily. We get this great result. Now, watch what happens when I run the exact same prompt again. We get a different person. The red hair and freckles are there, but the facial structure, the smile, the mood, it's all changed. This lack of consistency forces creators to spend hours editing, or worse, completely scrap content. This is a massive limitation until now. Nano Banana changes the game. Let's see how it completely fixes this problem. This is where Nano Banana shines, and like standard AI models, its core strength is understanding and maintaining the identity of a character throughout a conversation. Let's create our base character. I'll be very specific so the AI has a lot to remember. Create a photo of a female detective, late 30s, sharp blue eyes, and determined expression, short brown hair. She's wearing a trench coat in a dimly lit office. Hit generate, and here she is. Now for the real test. We want to change the entire setting but keep the exact same person. I don't need to describe her again. I just tell Nano Banana to use the existing character. Using the same female detective character, show her standing on a rainy city street at night, holding an umbrella. Realistic photo. Incredible. Look closely at the comparison. The setting is completely different. Rainy, neon-lit street, but her facial features, her expression, even the way her hair falls, are all consistent. This character constancy is what makes Nano Banana a powerful tool for visual storytelling. Nano Banana isn't just for creating, it's also a powerful editor. Let's upload an existing image, like this portrait. Now, instead of using complicated layers in Photoshop, just tell the AI what you want to change the background to a dense jungle and make the shirt purple. See how seamlessly it integrates the changes. You can refine it further, add a ray of sunlight coming from the top right. This level of intuitive, text-based editing is where Nano Banana truly shines. And that is the complete guide to mastering Nano Banana, or the Gemini 2.5 Flash image generator. Whether you're a designer needing quick, consistent visuals or a storyteller building out a world, this tool is fast, efficient, and incredibly powerful. Now, it's your turn. I want to know, what is the first consistent character you are going to create with Nano Banana? Let me know in the comments below.